Good morning, folks. This is Naim, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily live segment on our YouTube channel. It's a pleasure to be with you guys, folks. As always, it is important for me to go through this disclaimer and risk warnings. So anything which we will be discussing in this video cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own advisors. Now, the European markets are trading to the downside. Now, if you're wondering why is that, well, one of the factors is very familiar, and that is the ongoing battle on the negotiation for the second stimulus package, folks. Over in Washington, Nancy Pelosi, House Speaker, and Steven Mnuchin, the U.S. Treasury Secretary, they're still discussing the second stimulus package. They're still having conversations on that. Now, traders have become so sick and tired of this one because they wanted to see the results. But one thing is becoming very, very clear for them. That is that there is going to be no stimulus package before the U.S. election. But folks, does that really matter? Because it's only a matter of 10 days, less than 2 weeks before the U.S. election. So the question is not about only whether we will get the the stimulus package before the U.S. election. The question is how long it will take altogether for the second stimulus package to really come. And that is why everyone is quite concerned about that. This is the reason that the markets are very much retracing. The stock market breadth is also losing its momentum because nearly 60% of the stocks are only trading above the 200-day simple moving average for the S&P, and that's pretty much the same ratio for the Dow Jones as well. Now, in terms of stock earnings yesterday, we heard from Tesla, and I'm sure you guys love Tesla because every single retail trader love. I myself own this for a disclosure purpose. I own Tesla in my portfolio. I think it's a great stock, given the fact that now the company has a track record of posting 5 consecutive back-to-back records of earnings reports with the positive results. And then this is not what many of analysts on Wall Street were expecting. 5 consecutive quarters of profit. That is a huge number. Now, of course, the company is becoming a lot more profitable. Earnings per shares are very much increasing. Deliveries are increasing. Companies becoming a lot more efficient. Now, the only thing which is left is when it will become the part of the S&P 500 index. And I think that is very possible in this particular quarter. Yesterday, the stock popped after the market or the US market closed because the investors and traders really started to pay attention to how good those numbers are and the possibility of Tesla becoming part of the S&P 500 index. So that is quite an intriguing one. So keep an eye on that. But overall, I think the equity market is still very much trading to the downside. And for that means really the DAX, the CAC, your usual European stocks indices like Stocks 50, Stock 600, and over in the United States, your S&P, Dow Jones, keep an eye, very, very close eye on them because they are very close to their 50-day simple moving average on the daily time frame. That's all for today. See you guys next time.